Okay, hello guys, how are you today? And my name is Olipio Tuns, and today I will be your host here. Let's talk about the Canadian inflation data first of all, guys, because the consumer price index is seen as a high impact event, and this high impact event could bring some volatility also, and maybe it could have a big impact also on the US dollar, on gold, yeah, on silver, maybe US oil. So we'll start and we'll talk about the Canadian inflation data. But first of all, as always, guys, as you already know, you need to read the risk disclaimer. It's important for you to understand the risks before trading, investing, yeah, before trading on the financial markets, on Forex, on commodities, indexes, I don't know, commodities, cryptocurrencies, yeah, Forex pairs. So yeah, I will close this window, and don't forget, guys, that if you have questions about subscription, about services, about brokerage companies, you can email support. You can send an email to support, or if you have any other questions. And don't forget to be patient, because there are thousands of emails that our support team needs to process, but they will come back to you. They will sort you out. And don't forget, if you are not a VIP member, if you want to join us, you can access the link posted right below this this video. Yeah, and for only £35 per month, you can become a VIP member. So Kevin, good morning everyone, happy Wednesday. Hi, how are you, Kevin? Today something, yeah, today I've sent that pending order, and I'm still waiting for New Zealand dollar, US dollar, but I'll wait for the Canadian data, also maybe for the US data. So in 3 minutes or less than 3 minutes, Canada is to release its consumer price index, which is expected to register a 0.5% growth versus 1.4% growth in the previous reporting period. Core CPI, yeah, and also the US is to release housing starts indicator, which is expected to drop. Also building permits, which is expected to drop as well. So let's see how the Canadian dollar will react, how the US dollar will react around these economic data. And as you already know, I've sent my analysis, video analysis earlier, talking about New Zealand dollar, US dollar. So I'm still waiting maybe here for a test, retest or something. And if it stays here below these resistance levels, and I don't know, a new lower low could open the door for a downside movement. So yeah, I'm still waiting here for something. And yeah, maybe I will send a new high probability trade into the VIP group, because as you already know, I've already sent Australian dollar, US dollar, which is still good, but we'll still have to wait for the price to hit my my entry here. I will hide my setup from here, because this trade was only for the VIP members. So US dollar, Canadian dollar before the Canadian inflation data, and let's take a look here. Right now, the Canadian dollar versus the US dollar, the US dollar versus the Canadian dollar is in a corrective phase, as you can see here. After yeah, unfortunately it has failed to stay above these former highs, key levels. So one moment, because I will use also this key level here, maybe this this level as well. Okay, so right now, so we are in a corrective phase here on US dollar versus the Canadian dollar. So the bias is still bearish here, also because one moment, because I have to maybe to update the groups with the, I will refresh also the economic calendar. So Canadian consumer price index month over month, higher than expected. Let's update the groups. Yeah. So 0.6% growth versus 0.5 expected. Yeah. So let's wait to see how it will react. Okay, one moment, because I have to. Core CPI month over month 0.8 versus 0.9 in the previous reporting period. Okay, and also yeah, so housing starts as well, worse than expected. Yeah, I'm sending you, and building permits also like this. And we'll take a look on all markets to see if we can identify new opportunities. And I would like to open a new trade here live. Okay, okay. So sell off right now. I believe that's, let's refresh also Forex Factory here, this economic calendar. But I've already sent higher than expected consumer price index. Yeah, 0.6% growth versus 0.5, and common CPI, median CPI, trimmed CPI higher than expected, and also here core CPI. Let's refresh it, and unfortunately here building permits better than expected, housing starts worse than expected. So mixed data from the United States. I will answer to your questions as well, guys. One moment. So right now, in my opinion, 1.28 psychological level here stands as potential support, as key level, and let's wait, because as long as it stays below the upper medium line, the bias is still bearish, but I don't want to sell it here. I'll wait for something here, because in my opinion, let's start with the dollar index, very important. So I will try to answer to your question as well. I am your subscriber, but I not understand all signals, and I think even VIP signals not good profitable. Crypto market, I'm your subscriber, but I'm not understand all signals, and I think even VIP signals. Crypto market, are you a VIP member? Are you part of the crypto Telegram groups, or our Forex VIP group? Okay, because personally I'm not managing those groups. Okay, and if you don't understand something, yeah, maybe you don't have to follow a trade or something when if that trade doesn't make sense to you or something. So yeah, I don't know. I pay a contract for I don't receive the thing. Jimmy, sir, I pay a contract for I don't receive these signals. Jimmy, please, are you a VIP member? Are you in the VIP group, or are you in the swing trading group? Are you in the crypto VIP group? So because personally, and other VIP members could confirm that personally I've sent my pending order in Australian dollar, US dollar today, and also maybe I will share another trade maybe on New Zealand dollar, US dollar. So Jimmy, help me please, sir. I pay a contract for I don't receive the signals. Jimmy, please, if you have, I don't know, and unfortunately maybe you need to send an email to support, because I don't know, maybe you paid, or you are in the swing trading group. Okay, maybe you subscribed or you joined the swing trading group. Maybe you subscribed and you joined the crypto VIP group. So this is not my fault. Okay, if you are not in the Forex VIP group, this is not my fault. Okay, so support. So please, Jimmy, Okay, please email support, they will sort you out. Okay, or of course, yeah, you need to know that we have different groups, VIP groups. So we have swing trading, yeah, VIP group. We have crypto VIP trading group. So yeah, also you can access this link, yeah, if you want to join also the general Forex VIP trading group. Okay, Dennis, sir, how do I enter the VIP Forex group? You can access that link that I've sent right now into the YouTube chat. Also, you can access the link posted right below this video, and you can yeah, you can join the VIP group if you want. Okay, contact support, Jimmy. Yeah, okay. Gold and crude oil, Rohit Kumar. Yeah, thank you. I will take a look on all markets, but I had to answer to Jimmy. Unfortunately, this is not my fault. Maybe you joined a different group. Yeah, and yeah, unfortunately. Okay, Duran, hi. I signed it up with AvaTrade using your affiliate link 7 days ago. I'm still not added to the VIP group. Have you mailed support like 3 times? They are not replying to me. Please assist. Yeah, Duran. Yeah, unfortunately, yeah, maybe I will yeah, if you say yeah, it seems that you've sent 3 emails. Personally, Duran, please understand that I'm not working as a support agent, and yeah, there are thousands of emails, and yeah, they will come back to you when they'll read your emails. They will come back to you, and you will be added to the VIP group. Don't worry. Yeah, unfortunately, these things happen. Okay, can you show Forex VIP group live, Rohit Kumar? Rohit Kumar, are you a VIP member? Yeah. Okay. So let's talk about the dollar index. So as well, if you have questions about subscription, about services, please email support, and please be patient. There are thousands of messages, emails, but they will come back to you. They will reply. They will add you to the VIP groups. If you'll decide to open a trading account on AvaTrade, I don't know, 8cap, Longhorn, or something. So yeah, okay. Dollar index. Strong sell-off in the short term, but right now, as I've said also today, only false breakdowns here below the lower medium line of the descending pitchfork. So that's why personally I'm using this tool, this trading and technical tool, because please take a look here. Yeah, maybe we have also here static support. Yeah, support levels around 103.90 39. Sorry, but please take a look here. It has no, Rohit. So if you are not a VIP member, yeah, hey guys, no one is going to add you in the VIP groups. Your VIP group link is the dashboard subscription access. There you will see the link to the groups. Yeah, the hub official. Yeah, you can access that area, the client area, and you will find the link there as well. But also that's why also but you can also contact support. They will sort you out. They will come back to you. Okay. Okay, so dollar index right now rebound, so that's why I've decided Australian dollar, US dollar. Let's take a look to see if this setup is still valid, is still good. Yeah. So about the Australian dollar, US dollar, guys, I've sent today the thought process, the rationale, that video, and I've said that Australian dollar, US dollar reached this resistance zone, resistance area, and I've said that from here maybe I'm expecting a potential sell-off. That's why I've decided to share my my high probability trade here on Australian dollar, US dollar into the VIP group. So a sell stop, a pending order, and yeah, right now the price didn't reach at my entry, but yeah, maybe if it stays here below this key level, below the medium line, yeah, below the upper medium line, it could hit my entry, and maybe it could move in my direction. I will come back with my trade management. If the price reaches my entry, I will come back with my trade management into the VIP Telegram group. So let's talk about New Zealand dollar, US dollar, and then I will take a look also on gold, US oil. So yeah, I've talked about this triangle and about this range earlier today in that video analysis, and yeah, yeah, so I'm still waiting here because the price continues to move sideways. That's why I'll wait, and I don't know if I want to double the risk, maybe with a new potential sell stop here, because but I'll wait maybe to see if the price will make a value breakdown here or test retest. Maybe I could catch something if the price makes here false breakouts, and maybe I could catch something like a selling opportunity, selling setup from here. So right now I'll wait here with the New Zealand dollar, US dollar, even if this is still good. And yeah, as I've said earlier today, personally I will look only for shorts here, okay, because New Zealand dollar versus the US dollar stands right below this downtrend line. So even if it continues to grow here, it could only maybe approach, reach and retest the downtrend line before coming back down. So I will look for shorts here, or if the price increases and if it reaches and retests the downtrend line, okay. Hey buddy, we stopped our gold short on breaking, but then it go to why? The official hub, the hub official, it was not my trade, it was Orlando's trade, and maybe you can ask him when he will decide to host a live session, when he will go live or something, and these things happen. And let's take a look on gold. Yeah. Let's take a look on gold. Maybe I will delete this ascending pitchfork. Yeah. So yesterday Orlando shared his trade here. Okay. A new lower low, 1822.14. So a lower low here, a new lower low. This it was his setup. Yeah. His entry maybe here with stop loss around these levels, yeah, around these levels. And but yeah, after maybe this candle here, he decided maybe to manage his position, to close it at break even after this, because please take a look here. Yeah, strong sell off, but it has signaled maybe an indecision here and drop. It has failed maybe to make a new lower low here, to drop below 18.09, rebound, and that's why he decided to manage his position, to close his position at break even. Okay, it was a great call, even if the price dropped it deeper, because if the price it would have stayed here above this this low, and if it would have increased, rebounded after this sell-off, and if the price would have reached the stop loss, you would have said that yeah, it was a bad trade. But no, it was Orlando's management, trade management, and yeah, we'll take a look on, we'll keep an eye on gold actually, and if we'll identify new opportunities, yeah, we'll share our trades in gold when we'll identify a high probability trade. What time frame you are? What time frame? I'm using crypto market. I'm using all time frames. Yeah. I'm using daily, weekly, 4 hour, 1 hour. Yeah. 30 minutes, 15 minutes. Yeah. And the hub official, it's up to you if you want to follow our trade management. Okay, so if you don't trust our management, do whatever you want, manage your trades as you want. Yeah, it's your trading account. If you don't trust our management, our judgment, yeah. So Let's take a look. So personally, I've had an ascending pitchfork 1, 2, and 3 here on gold. You can see that it has found resistance here at this maybe confluence area or resistance area. So 150% Fibonacci line, weekly pivot point 1831.83, static resistance, and yeah, maybe I will look for shorts, potential shorts. But yeah, I will use this this level 1807.74 and sell off, rebound. And I've said earlier today in that I trust you and always will. That's why I'm excited. Yeah, don't worry about that. That's trade in gold. Okay. What is really important is that we didn't lost money on this trade, on gold, and we'll look for something else for new maybe short opportunities, setups. Also, what do you say about will it go up? I don't know if it will go up. I will take a look on US equities. So I've shared today, guys, into the VIP group a video, gold breakdown, and I've talked about this rebound, and I said that maybe this could be only a temporary rebound, temporary growth, and I've said that as long as it stays below maybe this this former low 1822.14, and I don't know, coming back and stabilizing below the medium line, it could signal potential deeper drop. But let's take a look on lower time frames. Lower time frames, yeah, it has found support here on this former low, and right now rebound. Yeah. 1, 2, 3 here, but no. I will keep an eye here on gold, and maybe if the dollar index continues to grow, DXY, let's take a look again on the dollar index. Now, right now, it could retest these former highs. Maybe I could I will look for shorts here below this this key level, former low, but I'll wait to see, because personally I would like to see here test, retest, false breakouts, yeah, before coming back down. Okay, the pressure is high as long as it stays below the downtrend line, below this downtrend line, and below the medium line of the ascending pitchfork. Okay, but I would like to see here test, retest, false breakouts, yeah, to confirm, to validate the potential new sell-off. Okay, Dennis, which type of trend line I'm seeing you using? What type of a downtrend line on gold? Okay, this is a downtrend line. What question is this? Which type of trend line? It's a downtrend line. Okay, connecting this higher high with a lower high. Okay, and as long as the price stays below it, it could extend its sell-off, but only a new lower low. Okay, dropping, closing, and stabilizing below this former low, below the static support, it could activate a potential downside movement. So Kevin, VIP group is very good. I like watching your videos, your analysis videos. Do you have any thoughts on Nasdaq and US? Thank you. Have a great day. Thank you, Kevin. So yeah, let's take a look on US equities right now. But first of all, I want to take a look again on Australian dollar, US dollar. Yeah, Australian dollar, US dollar. My setup is is good. This my selling setup, actually my sell stop, this pending order is still valid, is still good, because right now it has retested the medium line, and if it stays here, it has dropped, rebounded, false breakout with great separation, retest here, resistance area. So this could be something like a confluence trading. That's why I've decided to send my sell stop in Australian dollar, US dollar into the VIP group, to the VIP members. Okay, so let's take a look. US 30. So US 30 right now sell off. In my opinion, guys, this is not perfect correlation, but as you already know, when I'm expecting the US dollar to grow, to appreciate, maybe the US equities, the US 30, US 100, US 500 could drop. Okay, maybe this is not a perfect correlation, but I don't want to go short. One moment, because I want to invite more members. Webinar. And then we'll continue and we'll talk about US equities, we'll talk about Forex pairs, majors, about US dollar, about Japanese yen, about cryptocurrencies. Okay, so about US 30, let's take a look on 4 hour. Rebound, strong rebound, but please take a look here. We have these former lows as maybe as resistance area, resistance zone, and also here personally I have a downtrend line, a down channel, and from around this downtrend line, the price we cannot exclude a new sell-off. So right now we have a sell-off, but unfortunately, let's see if I've missed something here. Like a high probability trade. So 1, 2, and 3 on ascending pitchfork. Please take a look again how the price respects these lines, the medium line, the upper medium line, maybe the lower medium line when it reaches this line. So only a false breakouts, test retest here of the upper medium line, and right now sell off. Let's take a look on 15 minutes. 15 minutes. Yeah, personally, I would have liked the price to also to retest the downtrend line before coming back down. That's why I didn't open a trade or something here. Yeah. Also here, upper medium line, sell off towards the medium line, rebound, test retest of the upper medium line of the descending pitchfork. So this is why I'm using this tool. This is a really great tool, trading and a technical tool. Pitchfork, Andrew's pitchfork. You can find it here. So pitchfork, we have shift pitchfork, modify shift pitchfork, inside pitchfork. You can use all these technical tools. And maybe these tools will help you to identify high probability trades. Yeah, and the great will help you to identify great entries, reversals. Okay, but yeah, maybe it's not easy to trade using this tool, but you can also visit our YouTube channel. And we have there trading tutorials, and I've sent there a few videos about pitchfork, how to use it, how to draw a pitchfork. Yeah, and maybe in the upcoming weeks or something, maybe I will I don't know, maybe I will have my my own mentorship program. Yeah, you can join maybe you maybe will be able to join my mentorship program, and also maybe I will record a trading course talking about maybe my strategy, or how to read the markets, or how to identify high probability trades, reversals, how to identify great entries, or how to use or how to read the markets using using Pitchfork with other tools. So yeah, but right now, okay, what is the most volatile market? Okay, hey buddy, who gives us the crypto signals? Is that you? Because I want to join that group too. I already joined it, Forex VIP and Swing, the Hub official. No, I'm not managing the crypto groups, but if you want to join that that crypto group, I will share the link for you. Okay, so if you want to join the crypto groups, the crypto VIP group, you can access that link and you can join it. No, I'm not managing that group. I'm not sharing my trades in that group, in the crypto group. So one moment. So about US 30 here, only false breakdowns. And yeah, maybe we missed something, but no, personally maybe I would like to see a rebound from here to retest before developing a strong downside movement here on US 30. Unfortunately, when I don't have a high probability trade, I don't want to trade. I will not. What about Euro USD? Yeah, as I've said, I will take a look on majors, on Forex pairs, on but you have to be patient. So yeah, maybe it was something like a rising wedge, maybe. Yeah, rising wedge. Let's take a look. If we had let's use stochastic or something, or relative straight index to see if we had confluence. No. Maybe here only. Yeah. But for me, this breakdown and here retest, it was not a high probability trade, even if the price drops right now. Took the VIP trade yesterday for BTC super setup. For BTC, got with Fremont. Yeah. I'm not sending trades in that in the crypto groups, but yeah. Okay, US 100 sell off here as well. Yeah, after reaching these former highs as key levels, as resistance, upside obstacles. So right now sell off after its false breakout. Let's take a look on the dollar index again to see if the dollar index. Now the dollar index is trading in the red here on. The dollar index is trading in the red here on 1 hour. But maybe this rebound here on the dollar index forced the US equities to drop in the short term. So right now sell off, but so the bias remains bearish also here on S&P, on Nasdaq. Sorry, on Nasdaq, not on S&P. We'll take a look on S&P, on US 500. So as long as it stays here below this downtrend line, despite temporary rebounds, the bias is bearish, and I don't know, US 100, Nasdaq could come back down, could drop anytime, but I don't know. Personally, I would have liked to see something like a strong retest here before coming back down or something. So only false breakout and then sell off. No, I didn't have an opportunity and a high probability trade maybe here on this market. Let's use descending pitchfork 1, 2, and 3. Now it is not good. Let's use this pivot 1, 2, and 3. Yeah. So in the short term, it has turned to the downside, so we cannot exclude a deeper drop, but I don't want to sell it here right now. Okay. We have these former highs, former lows here as downside obstacles, as support levels. So I'll wait also on US 100. So S&P also sell off. Someone asked me if the S&P will it go up. I don't know. The hub official, because the bias is bearish, guys. Okay. And as you already know from my previous webinars, analysis, I've said that its breakdown, guys, below 4,104.6 signaled maybe a deeper drop. And I've also said that despite temporary rebounds towards this key level, the bias remains bearish here on S&P as well. As long as it stays also below this downtrend line, immediate downtrend line. So yeah, as long as it stays below these upside obstacles, it could come back down. But let's take a look. Yeah, unfortunately, this could still be only a temporary drop, temporary decrease, a sell-off in the short term. And maybe personally, I would like to see maybe a new rebound rally towards these key levels. Test, retest, false breakouts could signal a new sell-off, strong downside movement, and it could bring us new short opportunities. Right now, no, I don't have high probability trade, a good setup here on this market. Let's take a look on 15 minutes. 1, 2, 3. I'll use this key level here as support, 4,040.6. I'll wait to see how it will react here, but as I've said, the US equities could come back down, could drop deeper if the US dollar will continue to appreciate versus others, if the US dollar will dominate the currency market. So I don't have a setup right now here, and in my opinion, it could go up if it stays here above this key level. And if it makes a very breakout here above the downtrend line, above 4,104.6, okay. But right now, maybe I'm looking only for short opportunities, for selling signals, as long as it stays below these resistance levels, okay. Okay, so we talked about gold. Rebound, as I've said, but the bias remains bearish, the pressure is high. US oil, someone asked me about US oil as well. I will take a look on silver as well, and then I'll talk about euro versus the US dollar, British pound US dollar, yeah, about majors. So about US oil, key level here, and after this amazing rally, leg higher, swing higher, after ignoring these former highs, resistance levels, upside obstacles, maybe a temporary drop was natural, was expected. Personally, I would have liked the price to come back down, to retest these before jumping higher, to develop something like a flag, like a down channel, like a falling wedge pattern, an upside continuation pattern, or I would like to see something like a range, a triangle, before it continues to grow. And yeah, in my opinion, US oil remains bullish. Please take a look here. So it has found a strong support here, demand, and its breakout above these former highs signaled strong buyers and the potential upside continuation. So that's why I'm looking for potential longs, for buying opportunities. But right now, yeah, temporary drop. But I don't know if I want to go long with a buy stop here, only because no, maybe this is not a high probability trade. And in the last weeks and months, I've tried it, and I've tried to identify, to catch potential setups without placing, I don't know, because here if I'll place a buy stop here above this former high, I don't know, the price could only register a false breakout and then it could come back down. Okay, so I don't want to maybe to trade potential breakouts here right now. That's why I'll wait, and maybe it could come back down here to retest before extending its growth, or actually maybe if it prints and if it develops a strong consolidation here above the weekly R1 114.39, it could extend its growth. So yeah, I'm looking and I want to catch a new upside movement, and I'm looking for longs, for buying opportunities here in US well. But right now I don't have a high probability trade. I don't have good setup here. Okay, Euro US dollar, sorry guys, I'm tired. And Euro US dollar, yeah, it has found resistance here at the weekly R1 sell off, and it has found support on the medium line, and right now rebound. Euro US dollar, it has rebounded only because the dollar index, let's take a look, the dollar index drops right now. Okay, and I'll wait, maybe also here, maybe the dollar index could only retest the support levels before developing a new bullish momentum, and the new bullish momentum here, an upwards movement could force the euro versus US dollar to drop, and only maybe a valid breakdown here, new lower low on the dollar index could signal that maybe the US dollar could depreciate versus its rivals. Okay, and euro US dollar could jump higher. Okay, euro USD. Please guys, like this video. Yeah, unfortunately it has failed to stay here below this key level 1.0470, and strong rally retreat. Yeah, we have strong resistance area here, 1.05, sorry, 1.0572, 1.0593. So this is a strong resistance area, resistance zone, supply zone, and yeah, even if the price rallies, it could find a strong resistance here before coming back down, and only a valid breakout here it could signal an upside continuation. But yeah, let's wait. Yeah, as I've said, I need confirmation on Saran. Hi Olympio, your live webinar is always very educational, and thanks for that. Yeah, thank you. You can like this video as well if you like my webinar. Okay. One moment, I have to check something. Okay. Please guys, if you have questions, if you want me to take a look on a specific market, but also if you want me to take a look, I don't know, on a specific market, please tell me what you are looking at, also your time frame, because I will not reply if you don't, if you are not telling me what you are looking at. British pound, US dollar. So let's take a look on economic calendar. Today we had also the United Kingdom inflation data. So consumer price index. 9.0% growth versus 9.1 expected. Core CPI 6.2, matching expectations. So the United Kingdom reported higher inflation again, and but in the short term, as you can see here, the British pound lost significant ground versus his rivals. Sell off here after testing, retesting, registering only false breakouts above the 150% Fibonacci line. So personally, I've had 1, 2, and 3 here, an ascending pitchfork, a false breakdown here, engulfing, and then breakout here above this downtrend line, and strong upwards movement. But yeah, let's see how it will react here around the upper medium line. Maybe even if maybe the price will try to come back higher, if it stays here below this key level 1.2498. Only a very breakout above it, only a very breakout, a new higher high could signal potential upside continuation. But right now, the pressure is high here. After this failure to stay above the upper medium line, test retest here or test retest here could signal downside movement or something. But right now, I don't have a setup, so I'll wait. I don't have a high probability trade. Maybe here on British pound versus the US dollar. Also, maybe it could come back to test retest 1.2442 resistance. So I'll wait, staying here, and if this will be only a flag or something, maybe I will look for shorts. Okay. Also, mate, I am your lifetime VIP member, and I have been removed from the VIP group. I have been sending so many emails since last week, but not getting any response to rejoin the group. Please help. Actually, I'm missing all your great content for more than a week. Saran, I'm sorry to hear that. But please, guys, as I've said also earlier, I'm not working as a support agent. Okay, so you'll have to wait for the support team to come back to you. Okay, personally, I cannot help you here with subscription or with I don't know, with this kind of issues and problems. Unfortunately, I cannot help you here. I'm here only to talk about markets. I'm here as a trader, as a market analyst, as a senior trader. I'm not working as so I don't know exactly what happened. So that's why you'll have to wait for support to come back to you. Yeah, even if you'll have to be patient, to wait for several days. Only the support team can help you with this. Okay. Thank you for understanding, Saran. And I don't know why you've been removed from the VIP group. I don't know, maybe I don't know, maybe you closed your trading account, or maybe you are not trading on that account, on that trading account. So so I don't know exactly. Okay, so you'll have to wait for support to come back to you. Okay. Okay, yeah, this is my opinion here about the British pound versus the US dollar, Japanese yen. Maybe I will look for shorts on the British pound versus the US dollar. Yeah, sell off right now, US dollar, Japanese yen. Let's take a look. Dollar index. Yeah, in the red, yen basket, because I've said that we'll talk about. Thanks, mate. Yeah, thanks, Saran. So yen basket, this rebound here, this rally, the current rally forced the Japanese yen to appreciate. Versus his rivals. We'll take a look on, and please take a look. It has reached this uptrend line and right now rebound. So that's why US dollar Japanese yen drops, because yen basket rallies and because the dollar index dropped. And yeah, I've talked about this resistance zone, former support 129.10, 129.40, medium line here as well. Maybe I've missed an opportunity here. Personal use, and I'll draw an inside sliding parallel line here. So I will put it here, maybe. Or maybe here. Yeah, on false breakdown, test, retest. Yeah, maybe I've missed an opportunity here, but no, I'm not upset about it. I will identify a new opportunity and high probability trades. Andrew, I signed up for your mentorship, brother. I reached out to you on IG. I wanted to know how I get started. When you get a free moment, when you're done, if you could get back to me, please. Andrew, hi Andrew, how are you? So it is Orlando's mentorship program. It is not my mentorship right now. Maybe I'll launch my my mentorship as well in the, I don't know, upcoming weeks, months. Yeah, so that's why you'll have to wait for Orlando to come back to you. Okay, Andrew. And if you sign it up, I believe that you'll have also the instructions or something, or I believe that you are already in that Discord group or something. So yeah, please wait. Yeah. So yeah. Yeah, maybe I've missed something here, but no. Maybe I'll identify a new because so as I've said, okay, I apologize that no. Andrew, no, thank you for a message, but please understand that also if you are sending a message on Instagram or something, you'll have to wait for maybe for Orlando's reply, yeah, or if you are sending an email to support, you'll have to wait for our support agents to come back to you. Okay. Yeah, no, I will downtrend line. Let's use a downtrend line here. But unfortunately it has failed to hit this downtrend line. Only test, retest, false breakouts here. Yeah. Maybe I'll wait, and if the price maybe will come back to retest these, maybe I will have a new short opportunity here in US dollar versus the Japanese yen, because I don't want to sell it right now. Maybe it's too late. Yeah. US dollar, Canadian dollar tries to rebound. It tries to rebound, guys. But the bias remains bearish as long as it stays below the S1, below the upper medium line. So I've talked about this market. US dollar, Swiss franc. There's found support here on the medium line. So it was a great decision not to go long here. I talked about potential maybe upside continuation if the price makes a new higher high, but it was a really great decision not to go long here and to wait. I didn't want it to place a buy stop here because please take a look, only false breakouts and then sell off. Okay, I've talked about US dollar versus the Swiss franc in my previous live webinar on Friday, I believe. So right now I'll wait. And if the dollar index will resume its growth, if the dollar index will jump higher than this market, US dollar versus the Swiss franc will come back higher. Unfortunately, it has dropped below these key levels. Okay, key levels. Because staying here, it would have signaled a new bullish momentum. And right now, it challenges these resistance levels, former support levels, and also the pivot point. So no, I don't have something. Yeah, sell off here on New Zealand dollar, US dollar. I believe that we have a sell off also on Australian dollar, US dollar. Yeah, and most likely the price will hit my entry. Yeah, here on Australian dollar, US dollar, and let's hope that maybe this will be a really good trade for the VIP members. Yeah, because if my scenario and if my bearish scenario will take shape, then the price could drop. Yeah, at least maybe towards these levels, towards the lower medium line or something. But I will come back with my trade management after the price maybe will hit my entry, my sell stop. Yeah, I have a pending order, and if you are not a VIP member, you can still catch maybe this this high probability trade, as I said. And right now I don't know what to do exactly, because I don't want to double the risk on the US dollar right now, only because I don't have confirmation here on the dollar index that the dollar index will come back higher. Okay, as long as it stays below this downtrend line, maybe I don't want to double the risk on the US dollar. So maybe I will keep only my my trade or my pending order in Australian dollar, US dollar, and I will keep an eye on New Zealand dollar, US dollar. Maybe, I don't know, maybe I will decide maybe to send also here selling trade, a short trade, but right now it's premature. It challenges this minor uptrend line, also 0.6334 as support here. If it makes only a false breakdown, it could come back higher or something. So no, I'll wait here. Okay, silver. Okay, about silver, personally, maybe. So right now, if the US dollar appreciates and if the US dollar dominates the currency market, maybe silver could slip lower. Also, if the price of gold drops, but personally, maybe. Please take a look, down channel. And this down channel could represent a potential bullish pattern, but right now a potential upwards movement, it is far from being confirmed. Retreat, so sell off. So we have as resistance 23.6, so 21.815 and 21.947. Maybe I will send. I will share a pending order, my pending order here in silver, if but I will send it only. I will send this this pending order or in the VIP group. So personally, I have an inside sliding line here, a parallel line in silver, and personally I'm looking for longs, for potential longs here on this commodity, on this market. I will clone this one, and this could be, guys, a flag, an upside continuation pattern. Okay, but right now, as I've said, as long as maybe the US dollar, if the US dollar appreciates, if the dollar index rallies, maybe gold and silver could drop. Yeah, so that's why I'll keep an eye on this flag, on this down channel, because this could represent an upside continuation pattern. But right now I don't want to place or to send the buy stop, I don't know, here, because it could register only false breakouts before dropping. I don't want to place a buy stop here right now. I don't want to place a buy stop here. So right now I'll wait. But yeah, as long as it stays above the inside sliding line here, personally maybe I will look for longs, for buying opportunities in silver. Okay. But I still need confirmation. I'll wait to see how the price will react inside of this pattern here. Yeah, or maybe I'll wait to see a valid breakout here, a new higher high, consolidation, accumulation, and only then I will look for longs. Okay, I was live here for more than 1 hour. More than 1 hour. Bitcoin. So Bitcoin. Okay, guys, about Bitcoin, please take a look here. Former lows as support levels. The price dropped far below these former lows, support levels, downside obstacles, and after its massive sell-off drop, it has rebounded, and this could still be only a temporary rebound before dropping deeper. And yeah, in my opinion, staying below the weekly pivot point, below 30,261, below the channel's downside line. Yeah, if it comes back. If it comes back here below 28,800, below the lower medium line, it could activate maybe a deeper drop, sell-off again on Bitcoin. This is my opinion. And only staying here above the lower medium line, above 28,800, and coming back here, it could signal potential sideways movement or potential growth. But right now the pressure is still high. What do you think of Ether as broker? It is good or bad? I don't know. I'm not here to promote brokerage companies, to pay lech. So I don't know if it's good or bad. You can compare it with other brokerage companies, and I don't know, to see what spreads. How are the spreads? Yeah, I don't know, it depends. It could be good for me, but it could be bad for you. Yeah, because yeah, every trader is different, maybe. So I don't know, if you want, I don't know, you can email support if you want to ask questions about brokerage companies. Yeah, we have or actually our real account right now is on 8cap. We traded also on AvaTrade, so yeah, but yeah, it is okay. Yeah, also eToro, it depends. Okay, about Bitcoin, let's take a look. Ethereum, same here, only rebound, retest here, 21.59 retest, key level, and as long as it stays below the lower medium line, it could come back down. So also Ethereum, in my opinion, is bearish. Yeah. Yeah. Breakdown. DXY again. Yeah, it tries to grow. So yeah, my trade here, my setup here is really good. Yeah. I will not share the setup here because it was only a VIP trade. I've shared my setup only into the VIP group because the VIP members are paying a subscription, monthly subscription for my trades, to follow my trades, to follow my trade management, to get access to all my content. So that's why I don't want to share my high probability trades into the free group. Okay, so thanks again. I will come back later. Maybe I will come back also with a potential I don't know, I'm still undecided about the New Zealand or US dollar, if I should send because please take a look here. Okay, I could place an inside sliding line here and here. Okay, drop, test, retest, valid breakout, upside continuation, and right now this could be a strong support zone, support level here, and that's why I don't want to send a selling setup here in New Zealand or US dollar right now. Maybe after something like this. Yeah, if the price drops, makes a very breakdown here or through this confluence area or below this former low, below this inside sliding line, test, retest, sell off. Okay, I'll keep an eye on New Zealand or US dollar. Okay, thank you guys for watching, for joining me, for watching this live webinar. See you next time. Bye bye.